What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is time to get back on Project 48. Finally, after a long hiatus, we finally have a lot of parts for the car. We're about to bust this box open from LMR. Actually, we got two boxes, but we're about to bust this box open from LMR and get Project 48 rocking again. Let's go. Alright, boys, so let's just see what we've got here for Project 428. Love it. Brand new front calipers. Love it. In case you didn't know, yes, Project 428 is going to have all fresh suspension, brakes, the whole 9 yards. Stand by here, pull this out. And let's see, brand new rotors. Let's see what else we got. Okay, yeah, brand new rotors. All right, boys, so here's what we got. We got brand new pads. I'm not sure what those are. Anyway, brand new pads, and then brand new rotors, all the races and all that. Brand new calipers with new hardware. I mean, freaking, yeah. Absolutely love it. We've got the... we got to get the dust shields on there. We got new dust shields for it. We've also got new rear shocks, and then of course the slightly used quad shocks that are going on there. And we'll have Project 48 back on the ground. Huge shout out to LMR again. They wanted to make sure Project 48 is even better than I was planning, so huge shout out to them again. So yeah, let's get this rocking. That battery's about toast.
No, it's the gun. It's set on like it hammers it off and then it stops and slows down.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, boys. So here we go. Real quick, just an update. The rest of the suspension. Got a brand new set of Prothane sway bar end links, and then got this sway bar. This is off the 30,000 mile car too. So brand new bushings and all that, super low mile. We're gonna clean all that up. And of course, we got the rear shocks. These brand new Excel KYBs, Excel G KYBs. Got those bad boys on there. We got to run and get the backing plates and some other miscellaneous stuff, and then have this bad boy on the ground. Yeah. All right, boys. So here is the deal. We are getting there. Got the brand new calipers, brand new pads, all new bearings, seals. Starting to get everything back together and tightened up. I freaking love it. Already got dust cap on there. Man, then we got brand new brake lines. Bronte in the house. What's up, G?
What's going on?
We're social distancing, right? We didn't actually touch, guys, so, you know, delay that. Real quick, I didn't show you guys. We had to make quick run. If I can get these out, maybe. Brand new brake lines. I'm telling you guys, going all out. There's the other brake line there. Love it. Love it. Let's check out the other side here. Yes, sir. Love it. Then I'm gonna clean this sway bar up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this sway bar on. Guys, 48's gonna be awesome. Y'all gonna have a better car than me. Whoever wins this is gonna have a better car than me. But that's kind of the point. All right, boys, quick update on what's going on. This is not the rack that's going with the car. We just put it in so we could kind of steer the car as we moved around. But as you can see, V8 sway bar is in. Prothane end links on. Man, we're getting there. And doesn't even have a motor in it. It's already sitting down pretty good, but she's on wheels, which is a good thing. Next on the docket, I'm gonna put the quad shocks and the regular shocks in here. And I've got the quad shocks and brackets right here. Gonna put those bad boys on there. And guys, you already know it's got an 8.8 under it with a 14 gear that came with the car. And then we noticed it had eye-box springs in the back, so it's gonna be sitting really nice. Anyway, let's get this bad boy together. She'll be on the ground officially. Whew. All right, boys, we working hard for your dollar today. Got the shocks on. Had to find these brackets and the bolts, but we got the Excels, or excuse me, the KYB Excel G shocks on. And I've got the quad shock right here with the brackets. I don't have bolts though. Of course, we got the shocks in there mounted up. I'll show you the other side here. So you can see it's got, I already got eye-box springs on it, so it's gonna have a really good stance as it is. So super excited about that. And again, got everything's nice and clean, brand new struts up here, all brand new brakes, brake lines, new sway bar with all new bushings, Prothane end links. Then you can see the new heater core sticking through there. I'm telling you guys, this thing's gonna be badass. Cannot wait. And then now that it's pretty much on the ground, I'm gonna finish putting all the interior back together. I'm gonna pull the door panels off and put the black door panels in. Get this blue seat out of here. Need a package tray. Yeah, no end, boys. You guys think just because you got a donor car and you know you're just transferring over everything, this is an easy job. Not easy. Fun, but not necessarily easy, and definitely not quick. You see how tight that shuts. That is awesome. I love it. Bronte, what do you think, dude? Gonna be badass?
Yeah, it's coming together.
Huge shout out to Bronte for helping us out today. I appreciate it, bro.
Oh yeah, always, man.
So we're getting it, right?
Yes, sir.
We are getting it. Love how clean everything came out. You guys see all the bushings are new. And again, guys, this steering rack is just temporary so we can move the car around. I've got a new rack coming for it. New power steering lines, blah, 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 blah. Gonna look great. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one short. We got a ton more work to do, but I've got the car back on the ground. Gonna be doing some other stuff to it. Parts flying all day long for Project 4 to 8. Car's gonna be awesome. If you want to know about Project 4 to 8, link is in the description to win the car. And again, I'm giving this to one of you guys as one of the premium subscribers. Again, link in the description. Helps me do what I do. And not only that, but over $900 a month in giveaways every single month. Two that were just added is not one but two $250 gift cards to LMR. That's every month, guys. Parts from Stiflers, parts from Jack Swags, LED bulbs, you know, they're $130 a set. It's crazy. We do that every single month, and helps me do what I do, and it's a win-win for the sponsors and for you guys as well, winning parts and cars. I don't know, pretty good deal. So that's what's up, guys. Gonna get back to work. Lots more coming, I promise you. Make sure, if you haven't, smash that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up for Project 4 to 8 because it's going to be epic. We'll be doing Burnout soon. All right. I'm back at it. Later, guys.